once again, you already know your girl back at it again with another video. And today I got a special guest, and she here again. Y'all, please. My sister, and we wearing matching outfit. Let us show them our fit. Yeah. Let me show y'all. So we wearing matching Puma outfits. You see the Puma sign, matching Puma like little outfits or whatever, and a shirt. And if y'all want this outfit, it's
don't tell them where we got that.
You ain't gonna tell where you got it, but
yeah.
like,
See if you guys can look it up. We got this from like where did hold up?
Justice.
No, let me see.
I think we got it from the Puma store.
Yeah, we got it from the Puma. I said Puma. Puma store.
Yeah, we got it from the Puma store.
It's right there. It says Puma.
Yeah, it says Puma, and they even got the Puma logo.
Yep, logo right here.
We got it on the back. Oh no, but
Yeah, we do. Look.
Oh, and you got it on the back right there. See that? And it even you got the word Puma on our tights.
Yeah, on our tights. But we scratched it off because we wanted ours to look the same. Well, hers came off first, and then I scratched mine off because I wanted ours to look the same. But right now, I'm gonna do
because we made a design ourselves.
Yeah. Okay. So
to make it look more popping instead of just pink.
So I'm about to. Oh.
So
I'm about to start my vlog, and before I start my vlog, we about to tell y'all what we're gonna do today.
Oh yeah. Before we even get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the what?
Post notification bell.
And all we post is bangers. What all we post?
Bangers.
What all we post?
Bangers.
I can't hear you.
Bangers.
Right. So make sure you go hit the subscribe button. And we recording off of our camera, but we just charging it. That's why you see a charger. We just charging it.
So, yeah. And now I'm about to start my vlog, and we will see y'all.
And we about to make some noodles, and we got a secret ingredient.
But we're not gonna tell y'all. We don't want y'all to copy our ingredient. Y'all gotta make y'all own.
Period.
But yeah, right now I'm about to start my vlog, and we're gonna see y'all later.
Peace. Alright, y'all. So we got our secret ingredient. She about to start her video.
We got our secret ingredient.
And it's a hot noodle challenge.
Yeah, we put hot sauce in it, and that's all we're gonna tell y'all.
Yeah, we
hot
put
sauce in the chicken packet.
Yeah, the chicken pack. Put the chicken flavor noodle. And we got a secret ingredient, y'all. See, you see how red this is? Look in the camera. Mine look redder than yours.
No, mine is better than yours because you ain't mix yours all the way in. Look, I mixed mine all the way in, and I got some water in it. Ready? Set. Let's see who.
No, we're not doing who eat the most.
Okay, we're just gonna eat it and see if we eat all of it. Then what we doing?
She don't know. Which one to drink?
Snapple. Last to drink the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, get my Snapple.
Snapple and apple juice.
Yeah, just in case.
Cause
We be down in that Snapple It don't even matter which apple juice. Yeah.
so we sisters.
And they wasn't even open anyway. Okay.
So
Ready? Let's put our camera like this so then
Yeah, that's what
they can see both of us.
Okay.
There. Okay.
No, you understand. Who was that?
Can. No. Okay. Ready?
I'm
Set.
about to mix mine's all the way in. Don't eat it yet. Here, you mix mine in. We got a secret ingredient. We got it from Asia. I was just playing. But y'all can so hot. Comment down below what y'all secret ingredient y'all put in noodles. Okay, ready? That noodle's cold. They cold. How many cookies been waiting so long? Mine warm.
Almost like room temperature.
Let me see. Our secret ingredients are so good.
We'll do some of my chicken ingredients.
They gonna see it. My camera can see.
Okay.
It's like so all our secret ingredient is this candy. I'm just playing.
Yeah, we're not even gonna lie to y'all. Y'all should know what it is because mostly everybody do it. But just not with the same thing. It's hot in there.
You could just get some of your drink.
No, I'm not losing.
You see, I'm Puerto Rican. We both Puerto Rican. So, we like pasta. Bread is busting. It look like this. What if they get it right?
We're gonna put down in the comments what we put in here. I mean, not what we put in here, but what y'all think we put in here.
Okay, now I'm making a challenge. We can drink one sip, but you're not out.
Okay.
You only can like you can drink, but you can't just sit there and be like, oh, you got my pants. We gonna have to wash it.
I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this to make it fair. Like if I want to pour a whole one into my mouth and swallow it.
You can do this, look.
You can do that?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Or I get one more sip. Let's hop on it, or you out. We're gonna have to like use soap and some water and do that.
It's gonna dry up. Remember when you had water right here?
That was
It dried
perfume.
up. Well, it's still liquid and it dried up. You gonna lose.
Yeah.
I'm gonna win this challenge.
I'm gonna win.
No.
All right,
We
next
got our
challenge.
computers. We got our computers on.
You can't watch YouTube.
I'm not.
All right, next challenge. Drink your other juice. I got a snapper. We mixed this up.
What,
Yeah.
yogurt?
No
yogurt?
secret ingredient, but
I'm gonna just say just yogurt.
yeah.
I ain't gonna say that.
Put it down. Alright, so basically, you can drink whenever you want, but you just can't sit there and be like what you do regular basically, like drink it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But you can drink. Let me get some of my secret ingredient.
Let me drink.
Sorry, but we can't tell you. Come over here and eat some of my secret ingredients.
Yeah.
I might put some more. Mm-hmm. can't see it.
The secret ingredient good.
Mm-hmm. Put some more in there.
Alright. We so sorry that we can't tell y'all. But
That's left my secret ingredient.
huh?
What is?
My mom. I mean our mom. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. Yours are strings. Mine just couldn't break. See? Because I got too much secret ingredient in them. That's everything's problem.
What is that now?
Can opener. I'm doing that. I thought that broke again.
Exactly. The reason we had red because
It broke one time when my brother was trying to open it. I mean, when she was trying to open it, but we had it for a long time. That's why it broke. Yeah, she spilled some on her pants. We can only drink for 10 seconds. You ready?
alright, how do I don't want to drink because that's
I'm drinking this one.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? 3,
I'm
2.
taking mine up
Oh.
because they got our secret ingredient here. Alright,
Okay, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Alright, so my noodles dressed. I'm not gonna eat them no more. Like, try these.
My noodles too wet. I like my noodles wet, but I put too much secret ingredient in there. It's just making it taste weird.
Exactly. So, comment down below what's y'all secret ingredient. And we're gonna edit this video, but y'all might not see this video till tomorrow morning. So stay tuned.
Yep.
Because it is the 21st.
Yes, the 21st.
It's the 21st, and y'all might not see this till the 22nd. So we have to do another YouTube video.
Look.
And if we was doing the video, you would have been out.
But yeah,
So
that's all for this video.
Yeah, so
and we're gonna
we
start.
about to do. Go ahead. Okay,
we
so,
gonna start.
bro,
we gonna start. We gonna start.
Okay, so we gonna
no,
do
look,
a vlog.
look. We gonna do.
We gonna do a vlog.
We gonna start posting our jelly fruit stuff to YouTube. That we post on. That we post on TikTok.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna put our jelly fruit pages down there in the description.
We might not be in the description.
In the description because
We might not be
edit.
posting until probably next week.
Why? What?
Then ain't you going home Sunday?
No.
Oh, okay. So we ain't gonna be posting this. We ain't gonna be posting on our jelly fruit page until 2 weeks because after this week we not posting, and then the next week we. You know why? No, we can, but it's like.
Oh, right.
So yeah, we gonna be not posting for a couple of days because incidents, and we need to buy some more stuff to make it.
Yeah. So. No. Yeah. Cause your camera can't see it, but mine can slightly see it. That's why I said no.
Secret ingredient.
I hope your camera didn't see that. Alright, so we're about to do a vlog because we're supposed to be eating this, what's it called? At dinner time.
Oh, the
Flaming hot.
No, it's
flaming
called
lime.
Roselle or something
Yeah,
like that.
Roselle. We're eating Roselle with all different type of chips. Flaming hot limes, like regular, like nacho.
Spicy nacho Doritos. Spicy chili sweet Doritos.
The purple bag Doritos, and then
The flaming hot
nachos.
Doritos.
The spicy sweet chili,
And then we got
hot nachos.
Yeah, and we got blue ones too.
And Cool Ranch.
Yeah, Cool Ranch.
So
But we about to end this video.
and we about to we gonna edit, but we gonna try to post it today.
Yeah.
Cause editing take a lot of time.
Really. Like those YouTubers, they probably be making a video the day before they post it. Because it be taking a long time.
Yeah, but we gonna post it today, hopefully. So, is y'all on what's it called?
Who is this?
Protein?
Who is this?
Huh? Mom. Why is the ice cream truck doing this? We on Crow-Team.
You mean you said Crow Tea?
Crony, whatever it's called.
Corona lockdown.
Yeah, Corona lockdown.
But that's the Corona truck. That's the Corona truck.
Oh,
Maybe get an ice cream
out.
out.
I said yesterday. I said that yesterday. I was like, "What's that noise?" She said, "That's the ice cream truck." I mean, you mean the Corona truck? I bet they Corona, Corona. Corona.
Oh yeah, and comment down below who y'all think is the oldest.
We said it in the last video.
But they didn't come. But we didn't post that video yet.
Yes,
Wait.
Yeah,
you posted your video.
Yeah, and I said.
Oh my goodness. Okay, but they didn't. What if they didn't go to your page yet? Hold on. Let me see. Let me see how many not followers, subscribers.
You only got one.
Don't mind me. Okay. This is so embarrassing.
Go to mine.
Okay.
Princess T.
I know. I mean, I do know your username. We almost got the same one.
But it's okay. Let's see. Two different. Corona. He not a cop, but I got it copyrighted. He not a cop, but I got arrested. That's all I'm gonna say.
You got how?
Oh. No less. Yes.
Do what? Okay.
Yes.
So the next video, y'all gonna see what the next video is, and y'all gonna be able to see it from the title. My camera is active, so yeah, y'all gonna be able to see it from the title, and it's gonna be fun.
we gonna post we gonna do.
Hold on, let's throw our stuff away.
Here, throw this away from this. So we gonna post like, we're gonna post this video, then we're gonna do another video there. Like, we're gonna do another video, but it's gonna be a prank. We're gonna prank our parents. Alright, you hear me? We're gonna post this video, then we're gonna do the video that I just whispered, but that's a surprise. But then we're gonna prank our parents, and then we're gonna do a vlog. So we gotta edit a lot of videos. Like, a lot
We're
of
gonna be updating a
videos.
lot.
And we gonna be posting a lot, and y'all better get my sister subscribers up.
Period.
And get, like, if y'all don't get her up, we will come to your house.
Not actually, because that's kind of creepy.
If y'all don't get her up, we will come to your house.
Hold on, we still got that Snapple. See, we still got these, but these Snapples that we just had are not. We didn't put our secret ingredient in these, and we're not going to because we ain't got no more.
Put that in the refrigerator.
Hold on.
Corona. And we still got that. We bought.
We got Sunny B. We bought a lot of stuff.
Strawberry orange.
We had some. We had a whole bunch of yogurt and
We
stuff.
spent $100,000.
No,
I mean,
160 some.
no, $190.
Oh, $190, mostly on snacks and these outfits.
Yeah,
Like,
we bought another outfit, but we're not gonna speak on that.
yeah, because we gotta go back and get our money and buy her another suit.
And her some more pants.
Exactly, because my pants go all the way
Oh
to here. Like, it's not even funny.
Cause she, oh yeah, if y'all wanna give me
Oh!
what? Do it again. They ain't see you. They did not see you. No, come over here, do it. They ain't see you. Do it.
Yes, I did.
No, they did not.
Yes, I did.
No, they did not. The apple juice is right there.
There.
All right. Hey.
But yeah, we about to end this video and we about to throw away our trash.
Because we're not dirty.
We still got our
Secret ingredient.
secret ingredient.
But it's in a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
And that's the hint. It's something that could be in a Ziploc bag.
Gotta clean this up.
You gonna watch the table so I'm throwing the stuff away? Alright. So,
We got a cop, but not a wrist.
that's what we get copyrighted.
I know, I just said that part. Only that part.
I'm about to say, move the charges. Look.
It's gonna dry up.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. You need to do your outro.
Alright,
Alright,
before we
guys.
end this video, y'all better press that like button, subscribe, and press that notification bell, and keep uploading on our videos. And
Hit that little bell.
Exactly, and Tony, hold on.
Princess Tay, gang go all the way.
Exactly.
Princess K, gang go all the way.
Exactly.
Princess Tay and Princess Gay.
I mean, Princess Tay and Princess Gay go all the way.
And if y'all don't like these videos, then y'all dirty. And y'all got roaches. So
Okay, so we about to end our videos, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Tony, tell them we out.
we out. Peace.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty.